Then now you paste it in. So here you needed to download.
Yeah, this one is downloaded already.
Oh, the entire, not just this file, right? Oh, okay, good. So now open this in VS Code.
I have to open this in VS Code.
Yes.
The zip file, are we opening it in VS Code?
Yeah, you first. So you first, after downloading, you unzip and then open that folder in VS Code. Yeah. Actually, think there's a duplicate.
Yeah, so do I need to do that?
Yeah, so you can.
This is already unzipped.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is already unzipped. So. So this is what you can. Oh. Okay. So you have.
Before I will now install that npm.
To that the folder that you unzipped.
Okay, first it has opened. Let me go and receive. Let me go and receive that folder. I've downloaded it.
You good, yeah?
Yeah.
Perfect. Chief, you good, eh?
Just one warning that came in the install.
Oh, that one. That one. Ignore that one for now.
Should I install the packages? Like the packages that came with.
Oh yeah, good. It's good, eh? So now after installing,
It's still installing.
oh, it's too slow. Ah, finally it worked. Simu inazima. Yes. So now after it hasn't finished. Okay. So as you wait for it to complete installing, as you wait for it to complete installing, I want us to create a hook. Yeah? A hook. Yeah. So anybody has heard about React hooks? React hooks. Ah, perfect. So a React hook, so the best way to use the Africa Stocking Client Library when you're using React is that you must use something called a React hook. Yeah. And how it usually looks inside is something like this. Yeah. So I'll explain each line. So everybody knows use state and use effect. Yeah. Okay. Everybody knows dynamic in the next. This one. Oh, this is. So what I'm using here is code that already works, but I'm explaining how now you can make yours work from how you had the UI to eventually being able to make calls. Yeah. Okay. So this dynamic here, we usually use it to import libraries dynamically. Yeah. So if you don't have this here and you're using Next.js, you're going to get errors with server-side rendering. Yeah. Despite the fact that you already have a use client here. Yeah. So this is important. Down here is where now we are importing the Africa Stocking Client library, the one that is currently installing. Yep. Okay. Then once it's installed, we return it. Sorry, once it is imported, we return it for the next step. Yeah. Okay. Okay. The next step is where we do authentication. Yeah. This is the part where we do authentication. Now, because Africa Stocking gives us a username and an API key, but that username and API key, we can't expose it to the browser. Yeah? Before I continue, anyone knows why we can't expose it to the browser? For?
Because of hackers, they can hack your system.
Yes. So he has said because of hackers, because if people can see our API key, they can make calls on our behalf, they can send SMSs on our behalf without our permission. So that's why we don't usually enter API key and username on the front end. So in place of that, we use something else called a capability token. Yeah, capability token. Let me go direct to the. Yes.
So why not use .env using a capability?
Ask again.
I said why not using .env using a capability?
Oh, so he had a question. Is asked, why are we not using env, the .env file? Yeah, why are we not using the .env file, and we are using capability token? Yeah. So the reason is, well, so how do I put this? The .env is storing our keys. Yeah. But when you go to production, you need a way to authenticate from the browser dynamically in a way that that token can expire after X amount of time. Yeah, we cannot be able to do that inside the env because the env is static. Yeah, like it doesn't refresh. You get? So about the capability token, let me go to where it is in the developer documentation. It's under voice, and then you come down to overview. So this is the part where you're saying about installing the Africa Stocking client. Then now on the usage side, this is where capability token is mentioned. Yeah. So capability token, in order to instantiate the client on the browser, a token must be generated first. You see? So the way you generate a token is that you usually hit this endpoint, but you need to hit this endpoint from the back end, not from the front end. Yeah. And when you hit it from the back end, you're going to provide an API key and a username. Yeah. Okay. But since our UI basically is the browser is on the front end, you cannot do this from the front end. Yeah. So what we have done instead is create an endpoint. So we are using Next.js. Next.js has front and back, yeah? So we have created a backend endpoint that if we hit it, it's going to return a capability token, yeah? Now, the content of that backend endpoint, let me see if I have it here. Okay, I don't have it here. So actually, let me create it real quick. Sorry? Yes. Oh yeah, we should have it. You should have it. Oh, okay. So let's create. So under components, let's create a file called use80wss. So let me,
It's outside UI.
oh, outside UI.
Outside UI.
Components use. But then this file you could name it anything, but it must start with the word use. Yeah, since it's a hook.
Like the line. Code line.
Yeah, everybody has a file.
Sir, can you go to number one?
To number one.
Yeah, no, just screenshot it and send it to the group. Just copy and paste. Sir, copy it and paste it on the group.
The group. Okay.
Please, hold on. Scroll down.
Okay.
Like I can do that. Scroll down a bit.
Let me screenshot it real quick.
Sir, copy it. You close someone. You close someone. See number 11.
Is that?
Yeah, Jonathan. The code is not complete, Mr. Douglas,
Yes.
please can you help us copy it and paste it?
In the group here. So I need to. Just a minute.
Just help us copy it. This nothing is no.
So I'm pasting it in the WhatsApp group. Eh? It's not. Oh. Maybe it's gone.
It's not completed. It's stuff again. Sir, please let me copy it as text.
Yes?
Copy it as text.
Oh, it's text. Will it go? That okay.
Yeah, I said that was like because
Okay. This one is going. Okay. It's come here.
yes, thank you, sir. You've seen it.
Ah, nice.
Just copy it.
Nice. So what we are doing here, we are hitting a backend endpoint, our own endpoint, and then the result of that is a token, and then that token is what we are going to use down here below. Yeah. Everything will make sense towards the end. Yeah. Right now it might not make a lot of sense. Okay. So inside our hook, now this is our hook itself, yeah? We create a client, yeah? We initiate it with null, and then we have this use effect hook here. The first thing we do here is to initialize the client, and before we do that, we fetch the token. So basically, we invoke the API call, the one that we had up here. Yeah. And once we've gotten the token, we come and initialize the Africa stocking client down here. Yeah. So everything you're saying here is just to make things a bit more cleaner. So here we are just doing, if there's no token, basically draw an error and say you're trying to authenticate without a token. This part here is where we dynamically imported the ET client library. Yeah. And here basically we are checking whether it has been mounted. Yes, so you know how in React you have mount and unmount. Yeah. And once all these conditions are fulfilled, now we can initialize the client. And this one's just a cleanup function for use effect. And then eventually here we return a client. I'm actually, let me see if this is the most simplest it can get. Oh, actually, let me send a very simpler version of this code. This is actually very long. Let me send a simpler one. Yeah, so I've realized the one that I showed you is very long. A lot of things might be lost in context. So let me. Yeah, you see the second code is shorter now, much simpler. Okay, good. Okay, let me explain now with this simpler code. So this is a custom hook to connect to Africa Stocking WebSocket. Yeah. Remember, you state and effects, same React concept. Okay. Down here, the part where we were using dynamic, we can just ignore that dynamic and just check whether the window is undefined. Yeah. So if it's undefined, it means this has been loaded on a server-side environment. So therefore, ignore the entire content. If it doesn't return undefined, it means now we're in a browser environment. So proceed, yeah. Disconnected. Now, step one is getting a token from our API. Again, we are hitting our backend API to get a capability token. And we'll get into the details of this later. Then the response of this is a token, basically like a string token, yeah? And that's where we get it here, data.token, yeah, the result of this fetch. The part where we are doing dynamic import again, we've just made the import to be a promise. You know JavaScript promises, yeah? So here we are importing the Africa stocking library, and then once it resolves, we use the module to, yeah, we use that module, basically the result of the imports, to proceed to the step 3, where we create and save the client. So this part, this is a Africa stocking library, then .client, where we feed in the token, yeah? Now, once we are done, we set a client, and this set client is basically from up here, from used yeah. Yeah, and then if there is any error, we basically catch it and draw an alert. Not draw, we pop an alert, yeah. And then empty array. So basically, it's to, since all this is inside use effect, you want it to just run once when the component loads. And then eventually we return clients. So this code is much simpler than the one that we had before. Can I proceed? Good. So now what we need right now is to create this endpoint, this API capability token. And the way we do that in React, in Next.js, sorry, inside the app directory, there is another directory called API directory. If you don't have this API directory, you can create it. Then inside it, I'm going to create a directory called capability token. Here inside the API. So I'm going to name the directory this way. Yeah. So far so good. Yeah. And then inside, I'm going to create another file, a file called route.js. So the purpose of this file, we are here, everybody is here now. So the purpose of this file is, since now this is the backend now, this is the backend side of our Next.js app. The purpose of this file is to hit Africa stocking API now with our username and API key. Yeah, or basically what we are being told here. Yep. So let's do this. So for this, you need to install a library called Axios. Axios. Yeah. Everybody knows what Axios does, right?
Yes.
You don't? Axios. It does fetch requests. Sorry? Oh, to install it, you run npm install Axios. Let me do it. You do npm install Axios.
Yes. Yes, element. And the compression. Oh. I think the one is right.
So everybody has installed Access. Good. So the next thing, remember the .env file that he was talking about? The .env file. So now we, yes, .env file. Now we need it now. Yeah. In your home directory, create a file called .env. Sorry, not here. It's supposed to be.
What did you paste this in?
Actually, I need to know. Yeah. So in your home directory, create a file called .env.
Oh, your home directory.
Yeah. The root of your project. Yeah. Yeah. Created it. Now inside that. Inside that file, enter your username. Okay, so this is how you're gonna do it. Create a variable called at_username, and then give it your app username.
It's already copied somewhere.
No. So these values need to be unique to you, but the keys, they must be this way, similar.
This one is inside the
Sorry? No. Oh, you can't use sandbox. Don't use sandbox. Use production. Yeah.
This is your own African stuff. This guy, I gave him 1 key. It's my boss now. No, there's nothing you should generate. No. The poses on YouTube. Sir, where are we putting this? Sir, where are we putting the one you just posted? This one you just dropped.
Just a minute.
Oh, you see.
Yeah. So
You don't. Oh, that one. That is talking from here.
so after you're done adding that .env file, I've sent you the other part where you populate the route.js file.
Yeah, adding this one to our
Yeah, to route.js.
on their capability to.
Yes.
On their capability to.
Yes.
Sense of this one is it was on the TV before. You know, you said we'll write it. Have you copied our reference? Route is Who was this class? I mean, no. You are not. Remember capability. There is route JS. There's anything. There's a route JS file. There's anything. That's the That's
Good. So are we at the same page, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
And then we done the copy. We create some, we are creating one. See, you are GS. Sorry? No, I don't forget that.
Yeah, this one. Yeah. You're on the same page, yeah? You're good there?
It's just remaining the .env file.
Or the .env file? This. Oh, okay. Let me paste this.
No. .env, you went to the back. I don't become senior. Just paste them for your .cl.
Yes.
This is very basic.
So, yeah, good. So, so you already have a quick recap. You already have your use AT hook. You already have the endpoint for capability token, and now you have the .env file. Yeah. Now, what I needed you to customize, is the username. So use your app username. Then for this other part, use your API key. In this other part, use the phone number that you assigned. We're good there.
Just a bit of the API is one we generate so is it the one generated now or should generate a new one? A new one. A new one should generate a new API.
No need to generate a new API key. Use the one that you had yesterday.
It's a new and now your own now your own I want to get more I don't get that. You see, I can't when I keep no, you can't go. Just do your code. Smash it.
So we are good until there.
The number I registered, so I can take this out.
Yeah, you can take this out.
Use the username, right?
Yes, yes.
No sandbox.
No, do not use sandbox. Use the live one. Username. Remember the ones you were using yesterday
Oh yeah.
for sending SMS. Yeah. We're good. Chief Captain, you good?
Practice it, chief captain. No, I didn't come yesterday, so.
Oh,
Captain, yeah.
what's that?
Next to that.
No. Don't modify that. You don't have to modify that. You don't have to modify this one. What you need to modify is oh, I think this one you can ignore. Can ignore this one. Yeah, and unless it complains.
You download it as a
So far, so good. Chief, you good? Okay. So by now, I believe everybody. So now let's proceed to the next step now. So the next step is for another endpoint. So the next step is for another endpoint called. Okay, before we go here, let's first test if everything is working. So where your UI is now, so now we are stitching the client and the UI. So where UI is, where your UI is, let's now import the hook. From the beginning. It's okay. Let's proceed. I don't want to leave anybody behind. Continue. Continue.
Go to that your downfall.
Or okay. So you said I should copy. So how would I do it? So how you what you need to do? You have VS Code, right? Yes. So open this folder inside VS Code. I should open my VS Code. Yeah. A new one. Yeah. So open folder. Open folder. Yeah. I think it's in downloads. Then yeah.
Just short the code, nothing else.
Select then the first one you install. Should I?
Open the code.
Then open terminal. So, yeah. And then install Africa's token client. So what is the first for installing? You go npm install letter I. Okay. Then space Africa's token.
Inside,
S S token dash client.
inside component. Yeah, inside component, make a new file called
Yep.
US8. I'm just taking it from C, but
Sorry? Oh yeah, yeah, you can do that. Yeah. So far so good, yeah.
no, when she's done, I'll just
Oh, yes, you're also not started.
I will not use it.
Let me make sure nobody's behind. So you will
Catch up to
oh, you'll catch up. Okay. Now. Yeah, that's the number you got from Africa's token. So when it is installing, you're in the WhatsApp group. Oh, there's a file. Uh-huh. Oh. So this also allow us to connect to API. Oh, okay. So after installing, now what's next? Sorry? After installing, what's next? After installing, you're not in the WhatsApp group. No. I'll send it. You'll send so you can show her those files. Yeah. He'll guide you. You guys are good. Okay. So the next step. So the next step is now linking the hook that we created with our UI. The hook. Remember this file. So the way you do it, you go to where your UI is, yeah, and then you import it. So this is the most important line in your UI. So ignore the file name because this what was generated for me, but import this hook. Yeah. And then after importing, I want you to go after importing it, I want you to go at the start of your UI component and add this.
Is it this place? Is it this place we're talking about?
Oh no. Where? Okay. Oh, could be close. Yeah. It's this place. So see that line that I've highlighted? Yeah?
Which one? The const client?
Const client equals use 18. Client. You good there?
Yeah.
So you can add that. See that line?
Export it.
Yeah. And you've already imported this, right?
Yeah?
You've already imported this.
Yes. I have seen it.
Ah, perfect. Yes.
You're almost running. Yeah?
No, it's like because of breakfast.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, it's maybe like that 20, 30 minutes.
We should go to breakfast first, then you continue.
Let me finish that small
fine.
part. Yeah. Now the next part. Now they can go then come back. Yeah. I'll try make it quick. Yeah. It's good. Eh? So everybody has imported that hook and initiated it, right? Now, if you sorry, so the two important lines are this one for importing that hook, and this one for utilizing the hook. It didn't work. Okay, let me come. It is working.
added the parentheses before, so it's working.
It's working.
See,
So if up to there you've done everything correctly, oh, you wait. Okay. Okay. So what has changed? What has changed is we import this. Yeah. Yeah, manually. Now in your UI code, and then we initialize it. Yeah. So now after this, let's run it. Oops. So is everybody's code up to this step?
the pad, how did you put the
Oh, the UI. Oh, it's in the. So remember the UI you had created yesterday. So so this is where your UI is.
how did you do that?
Oh, this is the page. So I command, then you press command, then mouse click. Yeah. So this is where you're going to put that import, and then const client. So you're good, eh? So you import, you do line 6.
License, sorry.
So you add it here, and then under here you instantialize. So we are the same step, right?
Is this how we initialize it?
No. You initialize it. No. You initialize it.
You got it wrong.
You imported it correctly, but the way you did it here is wrong. So you usually do it inside the component.
Inside the company.
Yeah. And then it is outside, not supposed to be that way.
Inside the company.
Yeah. So again, this is supposed to be inside the UI component. Yeah. Now after doing this, I want you to run. Yeah, I want you to run npm run dev. And if you've done things correctly so far, it should run on localhost 3000.
So after the use something, what do you say to do again?
You know?
After the import,
Import, you initialize it.
so this is not mark.
Oh, okay. How do I? Yeah. So up. Again, yeah, good, you're doing it right. Yeah, that's all. Then now you start npm run dev. Isn't it? So run npm run dev.
Oh
You
yeah,
good?
yeah, that's
He's showing you the files. Yes. Eh, sorry? We don't have a laptop. Wow. We don't have extras. You mean like laptop?
app number.
Oh, app number. Oh, I had laptop. I'd have been shocked. Uh, what's your username? Oh, chatbot. Okay. Just a minute. What is it? This is the old. Which one is the oldest?
This is the old one.
You created the first day.
Yeah.
Oh, then I think it was assigned to. Yeah, I think this was the one that was assigned. Yeah, this was assigned. Yes, so use this and the API key for this. Yeah. Chief, you good? So after you run it,
So we should view it.
yeah, you should view it. So you should have something like, okay, your UI should of course be different, but it should at least see it on the browser, right? Now, how do you get to know that you connected successfully? So come under network. Okay, let's refresh. If you come under network, you should see this connect. Oh, so open developer tools. You know how in Chrome you usually right click then inspect. So after clicking that, so this part I'm showing you how to debug WebRTC invoice, yeah. So you open inspect tools, then network, then the first entry there should be connect. Okay, so here's the thing. If it's your first time opening the inspect tools network, it will by default open as all. So I need you to filter to socket. Yeah, socket. This one. Refresh again. Refresh where you're still there. Ah. So if you refresh here and all you can see, if you refresh here and all you can see is just one for Webpack Next.js, that means you haven't done the AT client correctly. Something is amiss. Yes, so yours is connected. Yeah, so yours is connected. Yours so far you're good. I think there are a lot of things that were not saved.
They are not saved.
Yeah.
But I thought you found out how to save.
Oh, you had a typo. You had multiple S.
No, like this wait, I'm sure. Come here, we'll go.
And look if
Go to that project.
let's see if it's going to work. Good check for me whether it's referring to the correct file. Did you this one?
Yeah.
npm run dev?
I have no.
Yep, yes. And did it?
Am I supposed to come here?
Yeah. Oh no.
Not here.
In your VS Code.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
okay.
then the network sockets here. So it means something has not been installed. Sorry. So let's install Axis. So do npm install Axis. Yeah, then when it finishes, we try again.
Run dev.
Yeah,
Run npm
you
run
run
dev
dev again. Yeah, and then after that's done, you
I'll come
refresh.
back here.
Yeah,
Developers.
you just refresh this. So far you're good. It has shown connect.
It's running perfectly.
Perfect.
However,
Yeah.
I'm
Or the keypad.
the plus. I don't know how do I
No,
trying to use the plus.
don't worry about this one. This was the first stage and I see it has connected successfully. You guys are good. You're good. Chief, yours hasn't shown. Is it working? No. Something is. Something is broken. There's something that's broken. Oh, this file changed. So there's one that I sent that's updated. Yeah, so you can replace all of this with that. Yeah, that's why it's failing. You can delete this, then enter the updated one. Yeah, it was a bit shorter, a bit more better. You,
Hello. Yeah, I made mistake.
Yeah.
Country, I choose Kenya instead of Nigeria. Can I?
Oh,
Why creating a new one?
No, you said I can only create an account. So I
does it have a phone number?
No, put no Nigeria there.
Okay, so you can create a new one. Create a new one, then put Nigeria. Then after you're done, give me the username of that app. Yes, you good there?
Yeah.
So before okay. So I've seen most of you have gotten it correctly. So remember the Ngrok that we installed yesterday in Ian's session. So I want us to utilize it now. So I want you to do Ngrok HTTP and then the port number that your app is running on. Yeah, 3000. So for example, mine was 3000. Yeah. So yeah, so run Ngrok HTTP then the port. Then when you get that URL, go to your Africa stocking dashboard. So you go to your Africa stocking dashboard under for number, then okay.
Oh, sir, you say you're not giving us the request. Sir, see.
Yes.
See why the connect is not showing. Sir, like, see why the connect is not showing. 401. Like, they have
For
done
what?
one thing.
That because of API key.
Hmm.
It's not the API key is incorrect.
It's not correct. Yeah, yeah,
Yep.
No, it's not team. It's not app meeting.
Is it?
Yes.
If I run my own, it keeps showing me. Let me press this one.
Send your first live.
It's not working.
You've created your
I'm trying to like create a new account, but it's not working.
not a new account, a new app.
Yes, it's not working.
Try again. Let me see. How you doing? Needs to be unique. Yes. And Nigeria. Oh. Let me get that resolved by her.
How do you say?
Okay, you can generate
Yes.
Oh, good. My sister is crying.
Oh, capabilities of an AI.
Is it a private? Yeah, 2 gig. Yeah, 2 gig. How many? They chose data. My
Hmm.
laptop. Your password. Your
I
password.
don't know why it's failing.
Put your password. Direct access. Add people. Now, then you ask for that other person's this thing. Good, good, good.
Interesting. I'll come back to that. I'll come back to that. Okay. I, I need help. Hi. I didn't see you today. That's all right. So there's someone who registered an app, who has created an app, but they chose Kenya instead of Nigeria. Yeah. So I've told them to create a new app. Yes. But now they're creating a new app, it's telling them to first send 5 SMSs.
So if I don't understand, sorry, please continue.
Okay. So
They created another app.
a first app in Kenya, but they want it in Nigeria. So I've told them to create a new app. But then when they try to create a new app, it's telling them to first send SMSs with the old app.
With the old app. So probably because they've not activated the account. So there are no services mapped to it. So what's the username?
The username is Tim. Oh, iko live? See?
So what's the username?
The username is Tim.
Temi. Or Tommy.
No, Tim.
T-E-M-I.
That's that lady. Let me try something.
Since you know all these things, just like you got it from since
I can't
you
see
got it from like you made it in what's it called? So now I want to
but
connect
if
it.
it's something that's the mistake.
Let me see again.
So he has not so he was supposed to bring it. So like so when you because they are both activated. This one is actually yes, it's just charges, but it's not like the current person and remember to you can tell just that the charges so the charges will be in red, so it doesn't impact. You can assign I can assign a number to this account. But it's just that when they want to charge, so mainly the country specific thing is just for charges. So for you know if you convert it's not based on conversion that day. Tomorrow the conversion changes, but right now
Send me nice because
based on conversion. So that's why we're using currency. So you can say particular country because of exchange rate. Not like it's now.
Could you assign
Yeah,
that?
I was saying
kuna hiyo nini?
Nisaidie kurudisha.
No worries. Ulikuwa umekazima?
Kwani nimejua. Sijui atakuzia.
Alafu usiguse. Huwa sasa.
So, Temi,
yes.
just use the same app. A number will be assigned to you.
Email. They'll send it to my email.
No. It will be so. So it will appear here.
So when I get it, what will I do?
Oh, now you can you're gonna use it to make calls.
No, wait, is that like they will make the changes from their side?
Yeah, from that side.
So they will not give me a number.
No, you're going to get a phone number here.
And that's what I'm saying. A phone number would come in.
Oh, phone number for this tutorial, this thing we're doing here.
That's what I'm saying. Like I'll get that number.
Yes.
It will be my number.
It will be your number.
How are they supposed to know my number?
I'll, how to explain it? Just a minute. So it's not like your personal number. What I'm saying is a virtual number will be assigned to your account.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So the thing is now the Kenya was removed to Nigeria.
No, it wasn't removed, but it will still work. You'll get a Nigerian number.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So what if I want to like start using it? The Kenya will be there permanently.
It won't affect.
Not going to affect.
It's not going to affect. Yes. Sorry?
How are we going to set up the
Are we going to set up there?
Android?
Oh, N0. You already have it installed there?
Yes.
Let me show it. Let me showcase it right now. Yours is not? It's not working. Okay.
not forgotten it. It's not the thing didn't work. Nothing. Then my keypad is no more touching. Nothing responding.
No, the keypad will come later. What's most important right now is to ensure it's connecting. The way you do it is this needs to be capability token.
I added it now.
Yes, chief. Uh-huh.
Yeah, I'm still having that error.
Oh, that seems similar. Okay. Let me request someone to assist with the API part.
But it's still not connecting.
Have you restarted yourself?
Yes.
Hmm, let me first call someone. Come here. Ian. Nani nisaidie kudebug next API ya someone. Next API. Next JS. The guy in blue t-shirt. Yeah. Wait,
You change
for
the
one.
API.
For one is authentication.
The number, you change everything. You change all the credentials.
Okay. I'm sending someone to help debug. Someone to help debug. Ah, you're in safe hands. I'm telling him he's in safe hands. Yes. Yeah, just a minute. Yeah, after he finish there, he's gonna come.
So the problem is it from us?
So when you get a for one, from our APIs, it's usually the API key is
It's not always working after 5 minutes.
not correct. This one you've generated right now, right? Interesting. Clear.
Same thing.
Interesting. Let's just generate once more.
Want to save?
It has failed again. Let's give it a few, say like 5-10 minutes. It clears cache, yeah.
After 5 to 10 minutes, it will work.
It should work. Yeah. Your code looks okay. So oh, this yours? Does yours have the same issue?
No, it doesn't have the same issues. Oh, who knows this? Like there's an error or something like that.
I covered when I worked on my FM on the
Where is this line? Line 20.
Lady, I let me pass my code. Don't come out from there. Eh, I wanted you to tell me.
It was missing that.
It's supposed to fetch from the socket. So
So
I fixed the dial issue, but now what is it supposed to fetch? This thing is supposed to fetch something.
so from the front end, it's hitting an frontier API slash capability token. Then inside that, your failure API
So
is
it's
supposed to
not a
hit.
socket request. It's a normal one.
It's a fetch request, a normal one, a normal
I
request.
think they're just filtering the socket.
So, yes, it's working now. Not yet. Oh,
I think they should go for a 10-minute break,
for a,
so that they can just take the break first and we'll continue. I think we'll go. This is already one floor.
yeah.
Last one.
So let's take a short break. Take some breakfast, then we continue. Yeah. And also as I help debug.
I haven't seen the number.
Okay.
It's okay.
Let me open it. Wameenda breakfast. Nigeria people.
Is it still on me?
The gun it's like
Oh, it's live. I don't understand.